Hey guys, good day, it's Coach E. Welcome back to the Let's Vitalize Together channel. Today we will be taking you on a journey back to Guatemala. We're going to be doing some hot and cold therapy, aka a Temazcal sauna experience. This is an ancient Mayan way to heal yourself. I know the hot and cold is in effect right now, very popular, but let you know that it's 200 years old science that's been around forever. And now we want to take you into our actual experience at the Ruach Hostel. Here we go. Alright guys, we're about to go do a hot and cold ceremony. We're gonna do a Mayan sauna with some cold plunging also involved, so definitely super excited right now. It's the type of stuff we do, you know, for recovery. I always preach to my clients and other people I meet. I want to feel better and be in less pain. So, pretty cool about to do it all together. Stay tuned. This was our last day in Guatemala, and it was actually a surprise that Ya Tu Sabe came up with it. We didn't even know this was happening. So here we're actually starting to get the ceremony situated, and we're about to steam up and get the Temazcal really hot.
Get a little bit more steam, get a little bit more, so I get a little bit hotter. Yeah, this is so cool, Hamidi. Thank you, bro.
Here we're by Veronis and we're about to start.
It's hot in there. It gets
Oh
foggy.
my god. Oh my god. Ooh, we're about to get cooked. It smells amazing in there too. I think we're gonna be going from the hot to the cold in here. Looks super cold. Not that cold, thank God.
Oh, okay, you gotta lift the door up a little bit.
Okay, thank you. Let's see a little bit of what it looks like inside. Don't close that time. When I went to visit him and like use the sauna and shit.
Oh, yeah, I remember. So it was something like this.
Just did the first session inside there. So now we're about to hop back in. How does it feel, baby? You got a shower first? Pinta con el movimiento de luz, lo más de una vibración. Back to the heat. My hip.
Wow, that's feel great. That's feel great out here, man.
Chance left. I feel like it got hotter.
Huh? Yeah.
Alright guys, so you guys can't really see in here that well. There we go. Well, anyway, we just finished the ceremonial hot bath. Did 5 rounds, 15, some cold in. So from the hot water to the cold plunge, man, talk about mentally tough. detoxifying at the same time. Highly recommend it. Some ancient medicine if you're having pains or dealing with some negative frequencies or just thoughts that you can't assimilate. This will be great for you or mental, and you get to meet some cool people and get stronger with your tribe.
You see me sweating out here.
Like my wife, she's so proud of her. She did her thing
Did
today.
about 5 rounds.
So
Stuff.
go crush your workout. That wraps up, guys, our Temazcal experience in Guatemala. Stay tuned for more great fitness content and travel content. Remember, check us out at LetsVitalize.com and have a beautiful day.